Welcome back to the channel, and today we are taking a look at this beautiful 1995 Post 46 Fisherman. Let me spin you all around and let's take an in-depth look at this boat. It is beautiful. So it's a little bit cloudy and a stormy day, but that's okay. We're out here anyways, showing you this beautiful Post. Y'all seem to have liked, based on the responses I got, y'all seem to have liked the last video and that style. So we're gonna roll with that again. Not to mention, it's actually much easier for me to make that than it is for me to make the other styles. Bad Axe out of Nacogdoches. Must have gone to SFA, if you're familiar. They are the Lumberjacks, and those are their colors. Just walking around, this thing was just buffed and waxed. Man, it looks great. Beautiful lines on it. It's got that beautiful flare that sport fish are known for. All right, let's go hop into the cockpit and start taking a look at everything this boat has to offer. Into the cockpit, you'll see we have two fish boxes in the deck. Beautiful teak all the way around. Although the teak is in good shape, it just needs to be treated, oiled down. He has rod holders all the way around. Taking a look at this station forward, we have a pop-up sink, as well as tackle storage. You have your ladder going up to the bridge, which we will do last. And then over here, I thought this was pretty neat. You have a freezer for your freezer bait. He's got his life jacket stored in here. And just below the freezer, you have a little bit more storage under there. Store miscellaneous items or do some maintenance on it. Another cool feature is here's your power cable, and it is electric in and out. More storage on the other side where the sink is located, and then here you have engine room access, which is locked right now. All right, after getting that unlocked, let's take a look at the engine room. As you can see, it looks pretty clean, especially for a 1995 with old Detroits in it. Both of these engines have been rebuilt. One is 2016 and one in 2018. They've got about 400 and 600 hours on them, respectively. And as you can see, usually these Detroit diesels, they get oil everywhere, but this is a pretty clean engine room. And moving back, we do have a Onan generator. Just trying to show y'all all around. And that about does it. Let's turn around, get out of here, and head back up top and take a look inside the cabin. All right, after taking a look at that engine room, you can only imagine how clean the rest of this boat is gonna be. Let me tell you, it is extremely clean. Nice large windows on both sides of the boat. Like a true sport fish, there is no windshield in the front, like right there, but these windows more than make up for it. They're also along the back as well. All right, starting off with the seating, we have an L-shaped couch here. You can sit 4 people in. You have that nice 1995 blue carpet in the boat. It's actually in great condition. There was a little dinette and table here, but it has since been removed. That's why the flooring is exposed there. He's got a nice chair here so he can watch his TV. Nice LG TV. Looking back, as soon as you walk into the cabin, you have AC controls, although these have since been replaced and updated, so this does not work. You have your light switches, your cockpit lights, and your bilge blower. We have an ice maker right here, and just below here is your panel. Pretty standard panel. Moving forward, we have a little bit more storage here, where he's got all his important documents. Nothing really to see. More storage, and then you have some cable management and more storage back there. Nice little cutout for, you guessed it, more storage. Moving down into the galley, you do take one step down. Beautiful wood floors in great condition. This is a dehumidifier he's got in here instead of running his AC, having to clean the strainer baskets. More storage inside the galley. Behind the dehumidifier, we have a nice microwave, a nice deep sink, a full-size fridge, and a gauge for the water tank. so you know how much fresh water you have on board, and cabinets and drawers all throughout the galley. Couple steps down, we move into the berthing area. This used to be a washer and dryer. I'm trying to get the best shot I can of it and find the handles to open it, but he has since converted it into a pantry, so you can load up on provisions if you're getting on multiple day excursion, really getting out there and catching some fish. This is what you would consider your master stateroom, captain's quarters, the owner's suite. So you do have a full queen size bed, storage and plugs on each side of the bed. Actually, there's no plug on this side. I lied about that. Nice hanging locker. For a 1995, this boat is beautiful. It has been beautifully maintained. All right, looking at the owner suite's head, we have a full shower, full stand-up shower, toilet, bathroom. Hello there. Welcome back to the channel. I bet the vocals in here sound great. Let me give you a quick look inside the shower so you can get a good idea of the size. Single shower, does have a nice little bench there. Working our way back out to take a look at the forward V-berth. Does have 2 bunk beds we will get to. Another head, as you can see, with another separate shower. No wet heads, which is great on a boat this size. Beautiful bathroom. All the woodwork on this boat is pristine. No water damage. All of it looks great. Another stand-up locker here. What used to be thermostat controls, which don't work anymore, does have 2 AC units in it. A bunk bed here, a bunk bed there, as well as more storage up top, and another mirror. Hello. Let's head back out and go up to the bridge and see what else is on this boat. All right, so after we climb the ladder, here is the view from the bridge, the beautiful Watergate Marina. A look at Clear Lake, but as you can see, we got some storms rolling in, so I'm trying to bust this video out before they get here. Now, here's what you wanted to see. Actually, both these chairs have been replaced, so these are brand new chairs with brand new upholstery. These controls have been replaced. A look at the helm. Moving over to your radar, which this is obviously a newer system, GPS and radar. Not the newest, but he does have another one up in the overhead, which I will show you. Taking a quick look in the overhead, he does have a brand new Garmin here, like I said, as well as radios and stereo control, as well as spotlight control. Moving around, bench seating on the port side with plenty of storage. Put your life vests, all kinds of goodies in there, as well as bench seating across the front of the console and more storage. Compass, more storage, and a view out the front. Look at that. Beautiful views, beautiful lines on this boat. Let's walk up to the bow and we'll wrap this video up. But look at this massive bow. Look at all of this space. You do have an electric windlass with foot switches there. But look at these lines. Well, if you made it to the end, consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next one.